Have you ever spent hours, maybe even days, creating the perfect YouTube video, only to see it get completely ignored? You check your analytics, and the impressions are there, but the clicks, they just aren't. It's frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you there's one AI trick that can turn your thumbnails from ignored to clicked? And the best part? It's something even brand new YouTubers can use to go viral. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what this trick is, how it works, and show you step by step how to implement it to skyrocket your click-through rate. We're not talking about complex design skills or expensive software. This is about leveraging artificial intelligence to understand what makes people click. So, let's get straight to it. The secret weapon is an AI tool called a heat map generator. Now, don't let the technical name scare you. It's super simple. A heat map shows you where a person's eyes are most likely to look first on an image. Red and orange areas are hot spots. They get the most attention. Blue and green areas are cold spots. They get ignored. Why is this a game changer for your thumbnails? Because a YouTube thumbnail is a battle for attention. You have less than a second to convince someone to click on your video instead of the dozens of others on their screen. By using an AI heat map, you can predict exactly where viewers will look before you even upload your thumbnail. Think about it. You can ensure their eyes land directly on the most important part of your image. Maybe it's your face showing a shocking expression, a surprising result you're revealing, or a key piece of text. You're no longer guessing what works. You're using data to design for maximum impact. Let's look at a real-world example. Here's a typical before thumbnail. It's got a decent image, some text on the left, and the creator's face on the right. Seems okay, right? But when we run it through an AI heat map, we see a problem. The viewer's eyes are drawn to the creator's face, but they completely miss the important text that explains what the video is about. That's a lost click. Now, look at the after version. All we did was flip the image horizontally and move the text to the right side of the screen. Why? Because most people read from left to right. Their eyes naturally start on the left. Now, when we run the new thumbnail through the heat map, it's a totally different story. The hot spot is right on the creator's face on the left, and then the eyes naturally flow over to the compelling text on the right. The result? The click-through rate for this video more than doubled. Same video, same title, just a smarter thumbnail design powered by AI. So, how can you do this yourself? It's incredibly easy. First, you need to find an AI heat map tool. There are several great options out there. A quick search for AI attention heat map will give you plenty of choices, many with free trials or free versions. I personally use one called, well, I'll link a few of my favorites in the description below so you can check them out. Once you've chosen a tool, simply upload your draft thumbnail. The AI will analyze the image in seconds and generate a heat map. It will show you exactly where the hot spots are. Is the focus on your main subject? Is your text getting lost in a cold zone? Now, here's the fun part, optimization. If the heat map shows that the most important elements are being ignored, start making small adjustments. Try moving your text, make it bigger, or change the color for more contrast. Try flipping your main image horizontally, like in our example. Maybe zoom in on your face to make your expression more prominent. Each time you make a change, run it through the heat map again. Your goal is to get those bright red hot spots right on the elements that will make someone want to click. It's like having a superpower that lets you read your viewers' minds before they even see your thumbnail. This isn't about tricking people, it's about clear communication. You created a great video that provides value, and your thumbnail's job is to communicate that value instantly. By using AI to guide your design, you're just making sure your message gets through loud and clear in a very crowded space. For new YouTubers, this is especially powerful. You don't have a massive subscriber base to rely on for views yet. Your growth depends on attracting new viewers through search and recommendation. A high click-through rate thumbnail tells the YouTube algorithm that people are interested in your content, which can lead to your video being shown to more and more people. It's a snowball effect that can kickstart your channel's growth. So, stop guessing and start designing with data. Go find an AI heat map tool, test your current thumbnails, and start optimizing for clicks. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. If this tip was helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe for more tips to grow your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.